Therefore, Anita has to pay by her credit card. Her husband's been going back to the hotel.
只有了录音带。
Of course, Anita's really grouchy about this. So her husband soon said that he will buy her some new jewelry, furs, and pieces.
说录音机这个
This
双
makes
卡
Anita really happy because
一个
this
可
will
能会
make them
减
back
按
to
一个
collection up to
还
100.
可以。
When they were at a caterer, before everything happened. This is, well, there's nothing in the world. Her husband forgot it all in Taiwan. The wife goes crazy. It's saying to him, therefore their parents to spend the money. Poor thing, huh?
录音机呢，有的会有杂音的，手机就不会有那些杂音了。用卡带的、用磁带的机器有杂音了，录音机久了会有摩擦杂音。那手机的不会有这种问题。那再听一次看看，倒。倒带再听一次看看。录音机的，你看这个用卡带的磁带，会有杂音，机器的杂音。那声音不正常的，有时候要用笔记看一下，你接触不了。按暂停。你前面的空白的很长，等了很久才有声音，声音也不是很大，有杂音的你看。可能那个录的过程，在录音的过程，那个录音机造成杂音。现在声音比较正常，但是不是很大声啊。接触不了，那开关要按一下才会大声，晃一下然后又杂音。这么练一点点没有啊，没有啊。